Jai Shri Mataji. We all are learning Sahaj Yoga meditation in English since last 3rd January. Every day we meditate and every day the experience is different. The meditation gives us joy, peace and source of energy for whole day. Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who is the founder of Sahaj Yoga meditation, she has given this technique not only to transform our life but to enjoy the life. When the meditation start working out through our personality, the peace get reflected because of the Nabhi chakra. The third energy center is very important. If you want to progress in meditation, the way our heart is important. Similarly, there is another body part called liver is also so much important. The seat of attention is in liver. So now through this learning of Sahaj Yoga meditation, through this our journey, in next stage we are going to learn what this liver contribute for the progress of our meditation. Today we will be learning ice pack treatment which is going to help to cool down our attention to remove the heat from liver. In today's session, first we'll meditate and then learn ice pack treatment. We welcome you again for Sahaj Yoga meditation session. Any query you are facing, just we are a call away. You can always call on meditation helpline 1800 2700 800. So you are ready? Let's start the collective meditation. Thank you.
Jai Shri Mataji, good morning and welcome to all the seekers of truth. Today's episode is going to be on our liver. We are going to learn how to keep our liver in balance, what is the importance of the liver, and how to cure it if it is overactive. But let us start with meditation. So, now we all know how to go about this meditation. We have to sit down with our hands open in our lap in front of Shri Mataji's photograph, whether it is a physical photo on the laptop or on the mobile. So let us start. We sit down, we close our eyes, we take our attention to our hands, and on top of the head, we check what do we feel there. Are we feeling something there? Right. Now we raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan like we always do before and after meditation. So we join our hands. We pray to Shri Mataji that Shri Mataji, please let us be in meditation. Let us go into meditation and raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. We look towards Shri Mataji's photograph silently. We watch the thoughts as they go by, and then we close our eyes. We take our complete attention to the top of the head. Now, we place our right hand towards Mother Earth for balancing our left channel, and we pray here from our heart. Your Holiness, Shri Mataji, we pray to you. Please balance our left channel, our Ida Nadi. Shri Mataji, please let all the depression, all the frustration, laziness, ignorance be sucked into the Mother Earth from our left channel. We take our attention to the left hand and then to the right hand. Do we feel something there? Now we take our right hand back on the lap, left hand towards the sky, and we pray from our heart. Your Holiness, Shri Mataji, please balance our right channel, our Pingala Nadi. Please let all the instability of our attention be sucked into the sky, along with all the excess heat, all the overthinking, over planning, and over mental activity. We keep our attention on the right hand. Do we feel something on our right hand and left hand? Now we bring both our hands on the lap. Complete attention on top of the head, and we pray, Your Holiness, Shri Mataji, please give us complete balance. Let us be in the present. Please let our Kundalini be raised through the central path into the Sahasrara. All the time, we keep our attention upon ourselves. What do we feel? Now we take our right hand and place it on the heart, left heart, and we pray, Shri Mataji, by your grace, I am the pure spirit. I am not this body. I am not this mind. I am not this ego. I am nothing but the pure spirit. Please give me a large, loving heart. Next, we raise our right hand to our forehead. Press it on both the sides, bend our head forward, and with full heart, we say, for our own benefit and peace of mind, Your Holiness, Shri Mataji, by your grace, I forgive everyone. I forgive everyone. At this point, we will say the Ksham mantra. Take your attention to the left hand. to the forehead, now we take our right hand on the back side of our head and bend our head backward. Here we pray, Your Holiness, Shri Mataji, by your grace, I forgive myself. With full heart, I forgive myself as I am the pure spirit. Shri Mataji, if I have committed any mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly, then please forgive me. The mantra of this backside is I am. So we say hum 3 times. Hum, hum, hum. Now we take our right hand, stretch our fingers and put it on top of the head. The center of our palm on top of the head. Press it hard and rotate it in the clockwise direction so that the skin moves. Bend our head a little forward and we pray, Your Holiness Shri Mataji, by your grace, give us our self-realization. Please establish our self-realization. Let me know myself. Now we slowly place our right hand on the lap. Keep our eyes closed. Complete attention on top of the head and we watch ourselves with complete alertness. In this alertness, we watch if there is an increase in the flow of vibrations on top of our head and on our hands. If by mistake any thought comes in our mind, in our head, we just forgive it. We forgive the thought. In this state of integration and our attention on top of the head, we sit in silence, silent meditation for some time. Jai Shri Mataji. Now we are going to learn how to keep our liver in balance. As we learned that right Swadhisthana is the place which creates grey cells, grey brain cells, which are used to create thoughts in our body. And there are thousands and thousands of thoughts that go through our brain, through our being every day. There are more than 60,000 thoughts. Therefore, to do this, the fat cells in our body from our stomach are converted into brain cells. So you can imagine how much work our right Swadhisthana has to do. In a spiritual way, if we try to understand this conversion of fat into brain cells generates a lot of heat in our body. At the same time, this right Swadhisthana is responsible for a lot of organs like the kidney, the liver, the gallbladder. So, it is extremely important. From a spiritual way, if we try to understand, right Swadhisthana takes care of our liver, and liver, as told by Her Holiness Sri Mataji, is the seat of the attention. When the attention is pure, we are able to sit for meditation. We all understand by now that if our attention is not pure, we just won't be able to get thoughtless. Thoughts will keep on coming more and more and more. So now it is easy for us to see how this liver and this right Swadhisthana is so very important for us. In order to keep it in balance, we have a few techniques which, if we follow, it will definitely help us, help our attention to remain in balance throughout the day. One very important part of the liver word is that it means liver. So it it is the one who lives. I would say it means the one who lives for us. It is the biggest organ of our body. It spreads from the right Swadhisthana area to the right Nabhi area. It takes up a lot of volume here. It even goes a little bit to the left side of our Nabhi or our navel. We can see this in the diagram. Now, how to keep this liver in balance? As we said, that when the food has to be digested, a lot of acid is generated by the gallbladder, which is placed below the liver. It enters our stomach, food is churned, and digestion takes place. During this process, a lot of toxins may be generated depending on what kind of intake we have. If food is junk food, then definitely a lot of toxins may be generated. Now, all these toxins and this thinking process creates a lot of heat in our body. The job of the liver, which is a very, very important organ, is to remove these toxins from our body. Now, if this poor liver is all the time working, all the time active, then it is unable to do so. And slowly it gets heated more and more and more, which leads to a lot of stress and anxiety. How do we remove this heat from the liver? It is a very simple process based on basic principles of science. We use an ice pack. This is an ice pack, so we keep it in the fridge, in the freezer, where it remains frozen. This pack contains liquid which becomes a solid in the freezer. When we take it out and we place it on the liver area, and this simply cools down our liver. As simple as that. We can do it daily for 5 minutes. This simple process reduces our stress because it reduces our thoughts. It soothes us down, it cools us and calms us down. We feel much more in balance and at peace. It's a very simple process. We can do this daily, like we said, for 5 minutes. but we should not do it after food, at least for an hour, and we should do it before eating food, say half an hour before eating food. After doing this ice pack treatment, we can sit down, keep our attention on top of the head and on our hands, and we can check if the flow of vibrations increases. And after this, we can sit for meditation. The meditation will be much better. Another way of treating our liver is by placing our left hand on the liver area. At this point, just before meditation and during balancing, we close our eyes, place our complete attention on the right hand and also on the left hand, which is on the liver, and we pray, Your Holiness, Shri Mataji, please cool down our liver. Please let our liver be cooled down. We can also remember Sri Himalaya Devata at this point. We can also ask Sri Mataji, please purify my attention. Please give me pure attention. Please give me a strong, powerful attention. We can do this for as long as we feel that there is some heat in our liver. We can also do this just to check if there is any heat in the liver, and that heat can be removed like this. Thirdly, like we said, and we have been doing for every chakra in our body, we can use our right hand, the vibrations flowing out of the right hand, and pass it on to the liver. As we said, Shrimataji's photograph emits vibrations. Those vibrations enter our left hand, they come out of our right hand. We pass on those vibrations to the liver, rotate our hand in the clockwise direction. We keep our complete attention inside, inwards, especially on the right hand and the vibrations flowing from there. We slowly give vibrations. Remove the heat. We can check if there is any heat left. If there is, we can repeat this process until the heat is removed. And after this, we'll get a much better meditation. We can sit down in meditation now. So, with this kind of a daily alertness towards ourselves, alertness towards our liver, our attention, we can slowly and steadily be established in our meditation. We can enjoy the benefits of our meditation, which is impossible without a pure, healthy liver. Hope these steps are practiced daily and benefit you. Jai Shri Mataji.
Thank you, Priyanka. We have learned foot soaking last maybe 2 weeks back, and today the ice pack. It's our sincere request. Those who are facing the vibrations weaker or lesser on right palm, means the right channel, must do foot soaking morning and evening. It is advised that every day, morning and evening, we must have foot soak before leaving our home and after you come to home. At least before sleeping, if we do foot soaking, it will solve most of our physical problems, sleep problems, and even you will find more energy. But for progressing the meditation, the heat in liver has to be cooled down. So please try at least alternate days. It just take 2 to 3 minutes. You can put ice pack, see the heat getting down, and you will find more pure attention when you meditate. Throughout the day, your attention will be much more focused and concentrated. So let's make a promise to ourselves that if we are not meditating daily morning, evening, we'll meditate, we'll do foot soak, and alternate days, let's practice ice pack treatment. Whatever the techniques we are learning here, these techniques are not to watch. The techniques are purely for the practice to bring the change in our life. So, all the techniques we must practice, and through this practice, you can see the change in yourselves. Let's do this continuously for 7 days and observe the change throughout the day. Am I feeling more energy? Am I feeling more peaceful? Am I feeling more thoughtless awareness during meditation? Whenever the stress like situation is coming, am I feeling my stress is released or I'm not getting stressed out? Am I feeling peace even if the situation is adverse? These are all are the experiments of truth with ourselves. Sahaja Yoga meditation is for whom? For ourselves, for our own inner transformation. So please keep continuing the meditation, foot soaking, and ice pack treatment. For more details and information, we advise you to join the 10-day course on onlinemeditation.org. This website is very informative. There are audios, videos available. Whenever you get time, try to learn through each chapter. So this 10 chapter course will help you a lot. If you want to learn meditation, if you face any query, our meditation helpline is there for you. Our Sahaja Yoga volunteers will get back to you. We have experts. The Sahaja Yoga experts can contact you back again. We can give you another facility. If you want to have one-on-one Zoom call with our experts, you can call on toll free and register your name for Zoom call at a suitable time. Just give your name and WhatsApp number. Our team will set up a Zoom call, and through video call you can understand some of the basics if you still not face having good vibrations. So register your name on 180027000800. Thank you so much. Tomorrow the session will be about liver diet. All the best. Jai Shri Mataji.